Yeah, Ali Madad, it is with immense pride and excitement that I stand before you today to celebrate the launch of a truly remarkable occasion connecting the Jamaat worldwide, the Global Encounters Festival. This extraordinary event will be a testament to the incredible talent, dedication, and creativity of our local artists and athletes who will so proudly represent the Southwest Jamaat. In line with Maulana Hazir Imam's aspirations, the GE Festival is dedicated to bringing out the best in our global Jamaat, showcasing both established and emerging talent while cultivating the next wave of artistic and athletic excellence. This is an exciting opportunity to recognize, inspire, and harness the true potential of our community.
The Global Encounters Festival सिर्फ एक इवेंट नहीं है, ये एक मौका है ग्लोबल जमात के साथ एक तरह से कनेक्ट करने को, जो ना सिर्फ इंस्पायरिंग बल्कि यूनिफाइंग भी है। चाहे हम इन पर्सन मिले या वर्चुअली, हम जमाती इंगेजमेंट प्रोग्रामिंग्स के जरिए अपनी शेयर्ड हेरिटेज और मुख्तलिफ यानी डिवर्स तहजीब यानी कल्चर्स को मिलकर सेलिब्रेट करेंगे। ये फेस्टिवल कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी का एक यूनिक सेलिब्रेशन है, जहां हम 22 यानी 22 जुरिस्डिक्शन से आर्टिस्ट और एथलीट्स को वेलकम कहेंगे। ये एक ऐसा लम्हा है जो हमें याद दिलाता है कि हमारी डाइवर्सिटी हमारी ताकत है।
Imagine various global cultures coming to life through a multitude of performances, sports, and artistic expressions. This festival will provide a global platform where arts and sports intersect, empowering unity, collaboration, and shared experiences amongst us all. Attendees and spectators alike will get to experience the extraordinary talent of those who have excelled in their field. Each performance serving as a testament to their hard work, creativity, and passion.
As we celebrate, let us also be mindful of our commitment to sustainability. The festival is dedicated to minimizing its environmental impact through various green practices. We are striving to ensure that our celebration of culture and unity also respects our planet.
जो जमात हमारे साथ इन पर्सन और वर्चुअली शामिल होंगे, उनके लिए मुख्तलिफ यानी डिफरेंट किस्म की एक्टिविटीज होंगी जो पूरी जमात इंजॉय कर सकती है। और जब तक हम फेस्टिवल का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, याद रखें कि इस फेस्टिवल से पहले भी कई प्रोग्राम्स होंगे जो हमें मिलकर सेलिब्रेट करने का मौका देंगे। हम सबको इंकरेज करते हैं कि वो इंडिविजुअली अपनी फैमिलीज के साथ और जमाती इंस्टीट्यूशंस के जरिए शामिल हों, ताकि ये सबके लिए एक यादगार यानी मेमोरेबल और दिलचस्प यानी इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस बन सके।
To give you a sense of the scale and significance of the event, here are some exciting facts. Over 1,000 artists will be highlighted across the 3 Jubilee art anchors: the International Art Gallery, the International Film Festival, and the International Performing Arts Showcase. More than 3,000 athletes will be competing in 17 indoor and outdoor sports during the Jubilee Games. Approximately 1,000 youth athletes and artists are anticipated to participate, showcasing the next generation of talent. We will need around 3,000 volunteers to help ensure the festival's success, reflecting the collaborative spirit of this event.
Let's embrace this milestone global event with enthusiasm and pride. This is our moment to shine, to celebrate our shared humanity, and to forge connections that will last a lifetime. Together, let us make this festival an unforgettable experience for the entire Southwest Jamaat. Let's create, compete, and connect. I hope to see all of you there.